with another car vlog, boys, because I'm too loud to film when my girl sleeps. I'm obnoxious or something like that. Back in action, we're back in the action. Hey, boys. Swallow your gums. Haven't done this series in a long time, actually. I'm super stoked for it. This is a series, if you don't know, where you guys just send me, like, random shit, and depending on what your job is or something like that, I give it a cool title, like this one. This guy's like a multi-millionaire, and he sent me his unwanted jewelry. What have we done this for? We've done this for a bunch of other occupations. Everyone's been really nice so far with what they send. It's kind of an open letter out there. If you're wondering how people know to send it to me, I guess they've just watched videos and they know I do this series. Been a while. We're back at it, boys. This is super exciting. We actually have a double unboxing. One of the things I have no idea what it is. Both I don't know, but one I know I ordered. I just can't remember what it is. So it might be sick, might not be. Real quick, man, give a thumbs up, comment down below if you guys wish. You know, views are low, so what's that called? Engagement. Engagement, man. Nobody get married. Just kind of, yikes, can't be saying that as an engaged man, Brian. No, boys, engagement helps a lot. So thumbs up, comment down below is the biggest thing. We're still giving away a free real gold rope chain if we hit 500 thumbs up within the day down below. So that's how you guys win. Now let's get on to the video, boys. I'm so stoked. First thing, before we do anything, this one right here, I got a package at the door. Thought I may as well unbox it for you guys. I don't know what the hell it is. It's probably something dumb that I probably don't even want to open up on camera. But after, we'll get into the real stuff. What the f is this though, actually? Bro, I just get STONED'd and do not remember what I purchased in the morning. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably one of those things. Come on, baby! This is like Christmas every day, boys, because I'm getting like 5 packages a day at the door. I don't even unbox most of them on video. What the hell is this? Oh, f you! Piece of fuck. What the f am I gonna... Well, these came in a month late. I ordered these for Halloween. God damn it! What is it, December 9th? There was a Halloween party I was supposed to go to. It was squid mask themed. Guess who was the only one that showed up not looking skid mask themed? Me, I looked like a damn skid mark. Oh, God, it's very durable though. Ah, there you go. Yeah, don't need it. Stupid. Suckers. It ruined my Halloween being the only one not dressed up, man. I'm not one for dressing up, but if you're that guy that's not dressed up, like that one guy at the Halloween party, all of a sudden you don't look fun. You look like an ass. That night I looked like an ass. Now on to the actual video. What an embarrassment. Alright, boys, on to the package. So like I say, this is a series where people send their unwanted jewelry to me. I think one person got me at one point and didn't send me anything, and they just said pretty much F you as a letter. It's hard doing these videos when you don't actually know the people in general, or like the people that are actually sending it. They might like try to get a goof out of me, which a lot of people do. A quick rise, if you will. But this guy's super nice. He hit me up on Instagram, and actually I've got it screenshot somewhere here. I'm chalking this up as a multi-million-dollar thing because I've seen him on some like yacht boats in his Instagram and stuff. I know what he does. He's a Grammy Award winner, but not like an artist or anything. He might be a producer or something. I didn't really ask, but I thought multi-million-dollar sent me their unwanted jewelry sounded like a cool title. It's not a lie, because this guy's multi-million-dollar heir. Or he's just maxing out every credit card, because if you saw this guy's house, it's insane. Anyway, he says, hey, NameBran, I've been a fan for you for years now. Sorry, I can't read, boys. Through the ups and downs of your life, and nothing seems to stop you. You are extremely admirable. Admirable. You know, pretty much then it kind of goes on like to send me a little piece. And he's like, do you want to see it? Do you want to see a picture? I told him no, because the whole part of this series is being surprised about what they sent. You know what I mean? So we got something here. It's a piece of his jewelry. He was very stoked to send it to me, and I'm stoked to unbox it, boys. Okay, I just gotta open it now. I've been feeling around a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I like have an idea what it like could be. I feel a box in there, and it's a small box. So anyway, I'm stoked. I love this series. You guys are so awesome for sending me stuff, and every time you guys send me something that actually is what you said you were gonna send me and not just a lump of shit, which has happened many times, I love you for it. It makes me feel really happy. We got bags. We got another bag. Boys, this is a scummy series. Whoa, what the hell was that? It's cold. This is a scummy series, man. I get stuff for free. However, I don't usually keep this stuff. I've actually given a lot of stuff away to you guys that I get just so I don't feel so bad. I'm here for the content. Boys, I feel it. It's not a box at all! Man, I'm sorry I keep looking around. It's like that time where kids are going to school right now. I'm not trying to freak them out with some talking car, you know what I mean? That car just talk, man? I don't know, they're young. They're probably dumb enough to not know there's a human in it. Real quick, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. My website, I own it. Yeah, let's go. Boys, you check out the website. First thing you see, free jewelry. Guess what? You can add 2 pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. All I ask you to do is pay the shipping. Next to my favorite part, boys, we're also having mystery box boxes on the website right now for $24.99. You're guaranteed to have a value up to $55 in your mystery box if you guys buy right now. And one lucky person that buys one, we're gonna hit you up and you're gonna be able to choose whether you get an Xbox Series X or a PS5, boys. Perfect timing for Christmas. Enjoy. Good luck. Go buy your mystery box, some jewelry. NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. Dude, I need to shout you out. I can't remember if you wanted a shout out. There's gonna be a link down below to his Instagram. I'm gonna hit him up right after this video and ask if he wants it. Boys, I was feeling around in this thing. Oh my god. No way, dude. I thought this was maybe a ring box. Holy f. See, no, I should have got it. He did send me, we were talking a little bit more than what that thing it's a damn Apple Watch, bro. I should have got it. I don't know why I thought it was a ring. We were talking more than that thing that I just sent you. That was the first paragraph he sent. Then he said you might want to buy straps for it. Now thinking back, I was like, do I need a for this item that you're sending me, or do I need, like, what does that mean? It now makes sense. You got me a damn Apple Watch, almost. It's half of it. Bro, it turns on. It's not even broken. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Actually, I'm gonna run inside right now and get it. I already have one. Dude, this is sick. I guess this is jewelry, but electronic form. This is like thousands of dollars. Bro, thank you. We're gonna bling this thing out, just like we blinged out my other one. Damn it. Ouch. Oh my god. Dude, if it's okay with you, I'm gonna give this to my girl. If that's all right. If not, maybe I'll give it to one of the audience or something like that. But I already have one. I'm gonna go grab the thing real quick, man. I'm not gonna hold two in my hand. That's a sick thumbnail. Yeah! Best series ever. And yet you didn't send me coal or even piss in a bottle. Like, we've had that before too, boys. We've had thousands of videos on this channel. I've unboxed poop and pee a few times. All right, here. This is mine right here, boys. We got two damn watch things. Yeah, this is a weird series because I just get free things, which is why I do YouTube, honestly, boys. You just get a lot of free stuff. No, I'm just kidding. Dude, this is so sick. To be honest, I don't know how to work this. I don't really use mine much. Been trying to lately, but I don't really know how to. All right, it's dead again. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video on it. Anyway, thank you so much, brother. Not too much to say, boys. It's not like something that we can diamond test or anything. Not that it should have been diamonds. That sounds awful. Or gold that we should test. But this is awesome, bro. Thank you so much. The main point of this video, boys, is like the surprise factor of like, what are we gonna get? You know what I mean? There's my neighbor right there. It's always embarrassing. He just looked at me. Anyway. Yeah, now it's turning on again. Anyway, thank you boys for watching. Quick unboxing. Awesome. If you guys ever want to participate in this series, to be honest, I do turn a lot of you guys down because it's a lot of what looks like, no offense, but like kids trying to send me stuff, and I don't want to really take from you guys just for like content, you know what I mean? I'd rather you keep your stuff and leave it up to the millionaires or something like that. Anyway, dude, that's so sick. I'm gonna give this to my girlfriend today, or maybe, now I don't have to go Christmas shopping. No, I'm just kidding. I still have to. Anyway, thank you so much, brother. It means the world to me that you guys are doing this. And hey, Squid Game. Peace.